Information and communication. Information and communication. Information and communication. Technology is good for you. Technology is good for you. Hi, everybody. My name is Mr. Nate. Welcome to our online class. Today, I am going to teach you what is called ICT. Everybody say ICT. Let me hear it again. ICT. Yes, ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Can I hear you say that? Information and Communication Technology. Can I hear you say that one more time? Information and communication and technology. Now clap for yourself. Hooray! Good. So today we are going to be talking about ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. So you can see this picture here. You can see this girl is using a phone to call her daddy. And you can see this boy here is using his phone to snap a picture. Now, ICT would teach us a lot about technology. What is the first thing that we need to understand? The importance of ICT, or why do we learn ICT, or even what is ICT? ICT teaches children to use technologies around us. ICT teaches children to use technology. And when we say technology, we are talking about different things like our television, like our radio, like the computer, like a calculator, like a wristwatch, like a microwave, like a phone. All of these are technology. Or like the fan in the house, or like your gas cooker, or like your pressing iron. All of these are technology. And ICT teaches children to learn how to use all of this technology. Now, what are the importance of ICT to children? Number one, ICT teaches children how to use communication devices like radio, like television, like cell phones, like DVD player, like the traffic light, like wristwatches, like the calculator. Now, how many of you can operate your television at home? I'm sure everybody can. So you can operate your TV, you can go to Cartoon Network, you can watch films, you can go to Netflix. I know a lot of you even play games on your TV. How did you learn this? It is because your daddy, your teacher, your mommy, or your siblings have taught you how to use these devices. Now, in ICT class, we are going to teach you how to use so many other devices, and I have mentioned them already. Now, ICT also helps children to develop their skills better in other subjects so that they will make most use of their adult life. Now, in school, we are going to be teaching you how to use computer system basically, because ICT is about using the computer. How many of you want to learn to use the computer system? Yes, I can see you want to use the computer system, right? So I am going to be teaching you how to use the computer system to do so many things. I'll teach you how to use the computer system to type. I'll teach you how to use the computer system to play game. I'll teach you how to use the computer system to watch films and different movies. Now, I have mentioned some ICT devices already. You can see them on your screen. You can see a TV. You can see a very old radio. You can see a telephone. You can see the wristwatch. You can see a calculator. And you can see the traffic light. Okay, now let me ask you this question. If your daddy is driving you to school and then the traffic lights shows red, what does it mean? It means what? Stop. Good. And if the traffic light shows yellow, it means what? It means get ready. And when the traffic light shows green, what does it mean? It means go. Now, all of these are technology. And as we grow up, we are going to learn how all of these things work, and we would also learn how to operate them. Do you understand? Now, all of these are ICT devices and so many of them. So in ICT class, we are going to learn how to use these devices. And I believe that you are ready to learn, right? Sure, I know you are ready to learn. So in this class, I'm going to teach you how to use the computer system, because ICT is about learning how to use the computer system. Do you understand? Yes. So in our next class, I'm going to show you the different parts of the computer. I would also show you how to shut down the computer and how to start the computer. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you do, can you clap for me? Yay! So, see you in our next class. Bye for now.